Okay, so the audiomate digital audio adapter AM8112 is fully charged, and here it is. The manual tells me that it should ship from the factory prepared, so let's test that out. Well, I'm not convinced that that is paired at all. If all else fails, read the manual. So first it said to switch to both on, stick the pen in there, then press both of those. I don't know, let's try it. So the idea is it's going out anyway. Press the power buttons, turn on the LED. Ah, it's in standby, so okay. Because there's no signal going through it, I guess. So let's give it a signal. So this is the Yellowtec iXM with the biodynamic hypercardioid head on it, basically a microphone and a recorder. Let's just wait for that to come ready. There we go. It has phones out, so I'm just going to set that recording. Actually, that might help. Okay, okay, so now solid light. So it's working. Yeah, you have this on the end of a boom. Okay. You can monitor what's going on.
Hertz.
Demos, they always fail. It's not the best test because that's all it has. But you get the idea, right? wireless transmission to my ear holes using the AudioMate AM8112. Plosive. Yeah. So there you go. It works. The batteries supposedly last a couple of hours, which is not brilliant. Could be semi-useful. I guess time will tell. That's the AudioMate digital audio adapter AM8112. Does indeed, yeah, actually I can hear better without these on. That's yeah.